A mystery code placed on the Pirate Bay's holding page has been cracked. It leads to a YouTube video of Arnold Schwarzenegger uttering variations on the famous line, "I'll be back." Once one of the world's foremost file-sharing destinations, the Pirate Bay was closed down in December last year, following a police raid on its data center in Sweden. The file-sharing service's website has been active for a few weeks, dropping clues such as the code. Reddit user DAFKY2000 decrypted the code, leading to the Schwarzenegger video, which suggests a return for the Pirate Bay.